Need to fix Santander Bank US app not working? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. So the very first thing you want to do is simply head over to the App Store on your device. Once you're in here, in the address bar, search for Santander US Bank. Move into this app. Make sure that the application is up to date. If not, simply click on Update and update the app to the latest version. Most of the time, updating the app has also fixed the issue. If not, the next thing you want to try doing is head over to the settings of a device. Inside settings, move into General. Head over to iPhone Storage. In this page, search for the application Santander Bank US. Once found, click on it. Click on Offload App. Tap on Offload App. Once the application is uploaded, it means the storage and the cache has been cleared. Now the other thing you want to do is check whether the server of Santander Bank app is down or not. Head over to Safari and in the address bar search for Santander Bank US outage. Simply move into this site. In this page, you can check whether the server of this application is down or not. Sometimes the server might be down. In that case, all you gotta do is wait for the server to get fixed. Once the server is fixed, you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.